Today is brought to you by the letter X, as in xylophone, X-pipe, and unicorn. Why? I don't know. Why? I was just trying to buff a big foot with my Bigfoot Rupes polisher, wearing my sweet, sweet kicks from Rupes.
Oh, your big feet?
My big feet. You know what they say about guys with big feet? Right here, through the grapevine, that people want to see more burnouts in our intros.
You guys wanted some tire sling, and guess what? I went out on Sunday and I got some footage of some homies laying it down. And if you guys like this, I'm gonna drag Casey out there on Sunday, pull out the old Mustang, and lay it down for some more footage next week. So check it out.
here is what, a 56?
Yeah.
190 SL Mercedes going on a Roadster shop chassis. Oddly, all we need is the body. So right now we're trying to trim out as much of the fat, so to speak, as we can where we actually get it, start getting it braced up to where we can move it. We're cutting out a lot of the rust, the floor pans, toe board, fender aprons. Cut the trunk out yesterday. We can get the stuff that we are going to keep, hopefully media blasted pretty soon. Before we take the actual frame out, we'll build an exoskeleton in here to hold the top of the body square, cut the frame out so we can put it on the old chassis. Probably go back and try to remove some of the sharp edges so somebody doesn't end up in the ER before the day's over with.
That'd be good.
Don't come near the car without gloves on.
We are putting the engine and transmission into the Falcon. We have a header expert coming to visualize where he's gonna put the headers in this car. So we're gonna pack it in there and see if he's got any room.
What seems to be the problem?
Those are too long, so we don't have enough lift in the engine hoist to pick it up, so we gotta get a forklift. Well,
Okay.
well,
Are you saying slow or low?
I said, whoa.
Low. Tilt forward just a hair. Come down a hair. Tilt forward a hair. Is this thing gonna touch the firewall?
Never paid attention.
Then I don't think the motor mounts are on right.
Well, the motor's at a heck of an angle.
Okay, well maybe.
Come down.
Come on down about 2 inches. Ooh, that's better. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Zach was in. I can see the hole.
Yeah, where's my
Lined
bolt?
up.
Right here.
Can't keep you smooth.
That's a whole lot better than
So what's next?
It's gonna get the column dash mocked up. Got to set it at the right angle because it's gonna need a transcross number made for it because it's got subframe connectors now. But we're just trying to get it all mocked up. There's a guy coming today to look at making the headers for it. So we're just trying to get it all in place so whenever he looks at it, he can see how much room he's got.
Hey Eric!
What's going on, Doug?
I'm about to blast the blue paint off the hood scoops on the Challenger. Little by little, we're getting all these little pieces ready. Dust them off easy. Guess you can see how clean Keith got this now, so you can actually see inside.
Yeah, that's a first. see you got a lot of this under the dashboard knocked out.
Yeah, everything but the cruise control's mounted. I got word today that it's gonna have cruise control on it, so I gotta find a place to mount that module, because everything electric has a module. The shift light for the gauges has a module. So, there's a lot. Made the little ECM mount Thursday before I went home. Make it in there and level. Gotta be level.
What's today's letter brought to you by?
The letter O for I went from wanting to learn how to TIG weld to being the only one that can TIG weld.